maybe it's not morning for you. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on. If you're new here, my name is Natasha and I make content about fashion and my life. This is a bit of an unplanned video. Like, I wasn't actually planning on filming today, but I just had the urge to like pick up a camera and film my day. It is Sunday, the 30th of October. And on Sundays, I have this little thing called Sunday Reset. Obviously, I didn't make it up. You've probably seen or heard it before. But I have like a little routine of things I like to do to kind of prepare for the week that's coming now. And I just make sure that I'm ready for the week. And with that, like, I mean, for example, my apartment is clean and tidy and I have somewhat of schedule for the week coming. Like, I know maybe what days that I want to do some content, or what days I'm studying and what days I have class and all of that. So I guess I just wanted to bring you along for this one. And I must say, when I woke up this morning, I was so confused, because on the time that it says, like, I have one on my microwave, it says the time, it said that it was like 7:15 or 7:20 in the morning. And I was confused because I was like, but I'm pretty sure I put my alarm on for 7:15. Why isn't it ringing? Why, like, did I miss it? Did I forget to put it on? When I decided to look at my phone, it said that it was like 6:15 or 20 or whatever it was. And I was like, what is going on? I was so confused. But then I realized, oh, the time has changed. Like, it's now winter time. Which I don't know how to feel about that. But then I was like, well, I'm up anyway, so might as well just get up. Like, don't think that I get up at 6 every Sunday, because I definitely do not do that. I just felt like I didn't really do much yesterday, and I have exams coming up next week, so I kind of wanted to study, and I wanted it to be a very productive day today, where like I go to the library and do some studying and all of that stuff. And now I feel like filming as well, so I'm just gonna be doing a lot of things today. And first things first, let's pick an outfit. I think I'm gonna be going with a very easy outfit. Parachute pants that are black and just a little t-shirt that's black. Just an all black outfit. I think I wanna wear these sunnies because I wanna go take some pics for Instagram, and I have to take pictures for a collab as well, so I'm gonna be doing that now. Also, since it is starting to get colder, I think I want to wear my little wrist warmers, just like this. Boop. So cute. And for a bag, I think I'm either gonna go with this fluffy bag that I have, or I'm gonna go with this bag and put this strap on. That's a bit colorful because the shoes I'm wearing are my neon pink loafers, so I think I'm gonna do all black though. This is the outfit so far. I think I need to wash this a bit because I just got deodorant stains on it. Thank you. I was gonna add some jewelry. I think I'm gonna go with some silver necklaces, and then for rings, silver or gold or both, or let's figure it out. Necklaces on, rings are on. Also, my nail decided to come off literally just now. Awesome. And I was filming my morning. I was doing some journaling, but then I was also doing my to-do list for the day so that I know kind of what I want to get done. And right now I'm gonna go take some pictures for Instagram, like I just said, and for the collab that I have. And then, because the location I'm going to is literally also where I recycle, I'm gonna bring my recycling because I have so much that's just standing in my doorway that I need to get rid of. The rest we'll just get to later. All I know is that I want to try and get things done. Wait, what's the time? It's 9:30 right now. And I just want to get as much random stuff done before lunch, because then after lunch I want to go to the library and study and get as much studying in as possible. I'm about to head out, but I need to bring all the recycling with me. First I need to bring my tripod and then my bag, and then yeah, wish me luck. I was initially supposed to bring my bins down as well, not here, just down in my building. Couldn't carry them. There was so much stuff to carry. Like, I could barely carry all of this So another like 4 bags of bins. No, thank you. Just finished taking pictures, and the ones I took inside I quite liked. Then I came out here because I wanted to get some pictures for the collab. It's like a little perfume I could show you actually. I brought some props with me. This is like the perfume that I got. I literally just took like 700 photos, so I am ready to go back home. It is, oh, I didn't bring my watch. I think it's almost 11 now, so when I get back, the lights just switched off. Literally there's no one here, but let me do this inside. There is so much going on right now. Okay, so as I was saying, I'm gonna go home now, and I think I'm just gonna try and tidy up the apartment and get all of that stuff done, eat lunch, get some more energy, and then go to the library and study. That's like the main thing that I need to do today. I've been sitting here for literally like 30 minutes just scrolling through all the pictures I just took and doing a little clean out. Like I just took away all the ones that I didn't like, and then I'm gonna go through them again, but not now because I'm not bothered to, but I'll probably go through them again to see which ones I actually want to post. But I got some good content, so I'm happy about that. It is now almost 12, it's like 11:45, and I'm gonna just tidy up the apartment a little bit and then make some lunch because I can feel that my energy right now is dropping. I feel like I could literally fall asleep right now, but we're gonna try and not do that. Things are just not going my way right now. Like I'm tidying up and then like I hit my lamp here. Then I tried to vacuum and I vacuumed for like a minute and then it's like out of power. So now I'm charging it. And like also this morning I didn't tell you, but when I was going down to go outside, I literally got stuck in the elevator. Or like it stopped and then I just had to press to restart it again. But I literally almost got stuck in the elevator. Things are not going my way right now, but it's fine, totally fine. We'll just wait for the vacuum to charge and we'll make some lunch instead. Here is my little lunch. Pasta pesto and chicken. And I'm probably gonna watch some TV now. If you live alone, you watch TV whilst eating, right? Because like I don't know what else I would do. But I have been watching The Good Doctor lately. I just started it, well, a few, like last week, and I think it's so good, but I feel like I run through series so fast on Netflix and just like anything in general. So if you have any recommendations for me, please write them in the comments down below because I need those recommendations. I love watching Netflix. I'm just gonna enjoy my food and hopefully get some energy from this, so then when I go to the library, I'm just gonna be productive, focused, energized, ready for the day. I'm not gonna lie, I've been sitting here procrastinating for the last like half an hour. I'm tired, I don't wanna go to the library, I don't wanna study. But I'm gonna go because I'm doing it for my future self. My future self will thank me. Honestly, motivating yourself to do stuff for your future self is like the best way to do it, I feel like. I don't know if that makes sense, but I watched a TikTok about it, whatever. Let's go to the library. Since I didn't get to do that this morning, I have to do it now. Awesome. sun has literally set and it's not even 5. It's 4:30 right now. I actually got quite a lot of I got quite a lot of stuff done. I was there for about 2 hours till closing time. It closes at 4 on Sunday, so I felt like that was pretty good. I felt pretty productive. I just posted on Instagram now. Go follow me if you don't already. I think I'm just gonna chill a bit because at 6 I'm going to the gym. I have like a group workout thing, but it's more like, it's quite calm because it's kind of like yoga, stretching kind of vibes. So it's not like gonna be too tiring. But I think for now I'm gonna read a little bit. I've started the book Confessions, I don't know, by Colleen Hoover, and so far it's very cute. It's like I've kind of been in a reading slump lately, so I was just like, okay, I just have to read a book by Colleen Hoover and it's gonna get better, and it already has. Like, I don't know how she does it, but she is a great author, and I definitely recommend her books if you want to get into reading, or if you've been in a reading slump, just pick up a Colleen Hoover book and you're good to go. I need to plan my week. Oh my goodness, I still have a bit of stuff to do, but right now I'm just gonna read. I am currently planning out my week, so let's see. So basically what I do is I write down like what classes I have. I write down what days I want to do content. This is a weekly planner, so we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, yeah, all through Sunday. I mean, I don't write it down super detailed. I just write like so that I have somewhat of an idea of what I want to do next week, so that I'm not like just completely lost. Next week, like I said, I have exams. So I have 2 exams on Wednesday and Thursday. So that's kind of going to be my main priority. So I'm just going to be studying quite a lot, I think. And since I got content done today, I think I'm just not going to be doing a lot of content this week, or at least until I've done my exams. Then on Friday, there's a Halloween party. I'm organizing a party for my whole university. What? But yeah, it's a Halloween party, so I need to be there to help put up all the decorations and make sure that everything's done on time, and then obviously just have fun at the party. Then that weekend is going to be my first weekend where I don't really have anything, because after my exams I'm completely done with those courses, and then on the Monday is when my new courses start. So basically I don't have like any homework or anything that I need to study that weekend, which is so nice. And I think either I'm just gonna use it to really just chill, or I might go see some friends in Gothenburg. So right now I didn't write too much. I think I'll be filling it out a little bit more throughout the week. And like I said, I'm really trying to not do too much this week, just focus on my exams. It is currently 5:15, which means I soon need to head to the gym. It's completely dark outside, which is crazy. I'm super tired, but I still think this little workout is gonna be very like relaxing and nice for the body, so I don't want to miss it. And I can't cancel anyways, because you have to cancel at least 2 hours before. So since I'm not gonna be really doing anything more, like I said, I'm going to it's called Body Balance, the group workout class thing, but I don't think I'm gonna film anything there. And then now I'm just gonna clean a little bit more like I was doing this morning. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna end the video here, and I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, I wasn't actually planning on filming today. I just felt like I wanted to pick up my camera and just record, document my day. So that's what I did. Let me know if you enjoyed. Let me know if you want more of these videos. Also follow me on all my socials if you don't already, of course, and subscribe here. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!